I'll show you one of the cool things about this head on this trimmer here. I'm going to try my best to see if you can see what I can see. All right, if you all look, see how you can see all the way through right above my thumb? Well, let me show you this cool feature. Perfect. So right now, it's through and through. So then, you pull the amount that you think you need on both sides. And it doesn't have to be all of it. You know, I still got a bunch left. But you see, you just take the head. And the best way to know when you're done is I have all this right here. As soon as all this goes inside, that means on both sides, it's ready to go. There we go. Look at that. Already done. And on the extra side over here, you're just going to cut. And you put your extra up. There we go. Both sides. Don't have to take the head off at all. You just run it through, stretch it out to whatever length you need on both sides evenly, twist it up, cut the excess off. There we go. We're ready to go. That easy. How convenient is it you don't have to take these off?